completing the square method. This method can be understood with the help of certain explanation. So here see, first I will take the square of sum of two terms. Here x plus a whole square. This you might have studied in previous classes also, but fundamentally I am going to explain to you over here. X plus a whole square means x plus a is written twice. Again this x will be multiplied with this term, plus a will be multiplied with this. So further multiplication, x into x, it is x square plus ax plus again ax plus a square. So this finally we are getting this x square plus 2ax plus a square. Means x plus a whole square is equal to x square plus 2ax plus a square. So suppose if this x is taken as first term, right? This is first term and a is second term. Then right side, what do we see? This is square of first term plus 2 into x is as first term, a is second term, plus 2 into first term into second term plus square of second term. This one should understand because this is going to be applied. And this is called perfect square. Perfect square of what? X plus a complete square. That is called completing square. Completing square means making the expression in this form. Completing square means given expression, if you are making in this form, means transforming in this form, that is called completing square. And this method will be used to solve the quadratic equation. That is why it is called completing square method. So with example it will be clear, but one expression, general equation I will be taking over here. So if square term is a completed square term, this, suppose this is equal to b, right? Then we can take a square root on both the sides. So taking a square root, we will get this square root of this, and here square root of b means it will be in plus minus form. Why plus minus? If you are taking minus under root b whole square, you are getting b, this b. If you are taking plus under root b square, you see minus square means minus into minus, that is plus, and under root b square is b. So similarly, since it is plus, so plus square is plus only, under root b square is b. So in both the cases we are getting the same thing. That is why we write plus minus. Means square root of this is equal to x plus a, simply x plus a is equal to plus minus under root b. Therefore x is equal to, this a will be taken on right hand side, we will get minus a plus minus b. Plus minus means once we will take plus one value of x, then we will take minus and another value of x will be, means under root b two values are there, plus and minus. So with plus, x1 is the value of x, so minus a plus under root b, x2 is minus a minus under root b. Means in this equation we are getting two values of x, and these are called the roots of the equation. Right? With the example things will be more clear. And now I will take one example and you will see that how it is converted into perfect square, and then we are finding the value of variable. So example I will take that is x square plus 3x plus 1, that is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, and I have to solve this equation by completing square method. Then what do we do first? We will try to write this in the form of x plus a whole square. In which form? That is x plus a whole square. If it is in this form, then we get x square plus 2xa plus a square. So right side whatever we are getting, we will try to write this expression in this form. So you see, it is x square plus, there is 2. If 2 terms are to be taken, then x plus a, then x is here, along with that 2 is also there, isn't it? So we will write 2 first, and this constant will be 3 by 2x, right, plus 1 is equal to 0. Means if you are writing 2 into 3 by 2x, so this expression won't change, isn't it? But we are getting one benefit. 2 we are getting. So 2 is there, x is there, another term, another quantity is 3 by 2. Means if you are observing it, x square plus 2 x square plus 2ax of this form, 2ax. So x square plus 2ax. So if you are adding a square in this, then it will become perfect square. So this can further be written as x square plus 2 into 3 by 2x plus, if I add 3 by 2 whole square, plus 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 0. Try to understand. This is the expression on LHS. So these two terms are there. If these two terms are to be converted in this form, perfect square we have to make. It means whatever is on the right hand side, this expression should be similar to this, then only it will be perfect square. So what x is already there. What is a? That we have to find out. So x square plus, in this form everything is to be written. The term with x to be written in this form. So 2 into 3 by 2 if you write, 2 and 2 get cancelled, we will get 3x, there won't be any change. So 2 is mandatorily there, 3 by 2 into x, so means one term x is there, a, in place of a there is 3 by 2. So it will be perfect square only if another a square is added. So this is a, so we added a square. Since we have added a square, so that much will have to be subtracted also, otherwise expression will get changed. This LHS will get changed. So that is why I subtracted. See, this and this will be cancelled out, isn't it? And 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. We will get x square plus 3x plus 1. Same thing. So just we are reshuffling and adjustment is being done to make a perfect square. Now you see this part. This part only. See, x square plus 2ax plus a square of this form we got, isn't it? So this part can be written as x plus 3 by 2 whole square. Got it? Clear? I will take another example if it is not clear, then it will be more clear to you. So it is x plus a, x square plus 2 x square plus 2ax plus a square, means x plus a whole square plus this quantity. So this everything I will take on right hand side. So that is equal to 3 by 2 whole square. It will go, so it will become positive. 1 will come on this side, it is minus 1. Now I will simplify this. Therefore, it is x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, this is 9 by 4 minus 1, right? Therefore, this is x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, LCM is 4, so that is 9 minus 4. Therefore, x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 5 by 4. This we got. If you remember, I had written x plus a whole square is equal to b. x plus a whole square is equal to b, that side. Same thing we got, x plus a whole square is equal to b. So we will write further, taking square root on both the sides. Taking square root of this, we will get simply, it is x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to plus minus under root 5 by 4. Plus minus, I told you, plus minus under root b. In the same way, therefore, it is x plus 3 by 2, simply on this side you will get plus minus under root 5 by 2, because under root 4 is 2. Therefore, two values of x. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus minus under root 5 by 2. Right? Therefore, two values are one with plus, another with minus. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus under root 5 by 2. Right? That is equal to minus 3 plus under root 5 by 2. One value you got. Right? That is x1. Another value we will get x2 with minus sign. Minus 3 by 2 minus under root 5 by 2. That is simply minus 3 minus under root 5 by 2. So here we are getting two values. Since it is a quadratic equation, this is a quadratic equation, two values of x will be there, and by completing square method I have solved. So I think basic concept of completing square method is clear. So as you solve more number of problems, and it will be further clear and better understanding will be there, and with practice you will become perfect in this. So this is the solution. See, in this example, by completing square method we have to solve. Means we will look at these two terms. These two terms are to be made perfect square of this form. How is it being done? That we will look at. So here, same thing can be written as x square minus 2 into 4x minus 5, that is equal to 0. Why do I always write 2 over here? Because in perfect square 2 is always there in the term containing x, right? So this 2 has to be there. So we will have to break this constant term 2 into something, right? That something will be the second term. So 2 into something, that is, in this case it is 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. Equation is not changing. Here, since it is minus, so another thing I will tell you, if it is x minus a whole square, then it is simply x square minus 2ax plus a square. This is the only difference. If it is minus, then here it will be minus. So see, x square minus 2 into ax, 2 into ax, this much we got. From these two terms, this much I have got. Means x square I have got, minus sign is there, 2 into 4 into x, means in place of a there is 4. Right? To make it perfect square like this, plus a square will have to be done. So therefore, we can write x square minus 2 into 4x plus 4 square. Then only it will be perfect square like this. X square minus 2ax plus a square. In place of a there is 4. And since we have added 4 square, so we will have to subtract 4 square. Otherwise value will get changed. And minus 5 as it is, that is equal to 0. Understood? What about this? Compare this with this. X square minus 2 into ax, 2 into 4x plus a square is 4 square. So this has become x minus 4 whole square. Perfect square, completing square. This part has become a complete square. For the sake of that, all these additions, subtraction, extra we have done. So this is x minus 4 whole square minus 4 square, it is 16 minus 5, that is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 4 whole square minus 21, that is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write x minus 4 whole square is equal to 21. So see, it is of the form x minus a whole square is equal to b. Of this form you have got. So taking square root on both the sides. Square root of this is x minus 4 simply, and square root of this is plus minus under root 21. Plus minus, that I have explained twice, so there won't be any problem. Further simplification, we will get x is equal to, this minus 4 will go on right hand side, so we will get 4 plus minus under root 21. It means x has got two values, one with plus under root 21, another with minus under root 21. Therefore, two values to distinguish in these two values, one I will write x1, another we will write x2. So x1 is equal to 4 plus under root 21 and x2 is equal to 4 minus under root 21. So these are the two values of x, or two solutions of x, or two roots of quadratic equation, right? So these are, so therefore these are called, these are roots of the equation. So this is the method of completing a square method, and we will take the exercises and we will solve the problem. So next video will be with exercises. Till then, all the best. Take care.